Oh, that was Jawalakhel ki Handicraft Center lesu. Oh, dusre sha. The gate da jit sabi. Jawalakhel Pashmina Center. The pigeons are everywhere. There are some pigeons here too. So this is how it looks from outside, the main road. There's a temple there, monastery, Jawalakhel. Alright. So I'll show you inside the Handicraft Center. La. Ale di. Ale ale. Ano yung mara bisu ka? Yung mara na. Plus carpet weaving center. Tumse thasa ki Jawalakhel ki. Soda. Oh, nalo zuye. Wale ande mi mindwa. Kala sa do re lunch time. Ale. So we came at lunchtime, so there's nobody there weaving at the moment. And you see lots of carpet there. You know, all finished product. And this is how the carpet handloom looks like. Alright. So I'll take inside. And I saw some picture of king and queen of Nepal. Like history, right? That is history, right? Jawalakhel sort of history. See all the dignitaries. The picture of Jawalakhel. Yeah, this is Handicraft Center staff with outgoing General Manager Mr. Pasang Chonjor and new manager Mr. Ngawang Tupten. Oh, this is very old, 1997. Yeah, very old picture. There's some lots of picture here. Yeah, this is let's see, 2007 August. Okay. Yeah, he's from Missouri. Kamada. Yeah, I know him. He's from Timmy House. I'm from Churga House, so I know him very, very well. Yeah, his hometown is Jawalakhel. He has a sister too. Alright, so lots of picture here. Lots of. Alright, so ciao. Oh, this is Jawalakhel, the showroom, handloom, handicrafts, carpets, all kinds of carpets here. For the floor, this is a big one, and you can see here. Jam ji ki shukti ji dosto. He's always there's always pictures there, and he's sitting and all Jawalakhel settlement. These all are Tibetan houses everywhere. There's a restaurant here, laughing restaurant, Cool Brother. Cool Brothers Laughing. Cool Brothers Laughing Jawalakhel. Let me just take that. Cool Brothers Laughing Jawalakhel. Right? All Tibetan houses on either side. I was told there are like 200 Tibetans still living here in this camp. I'm inside the Tibetan camp, Jawalakhel, and I see a lot of houses here, and some Tibetan folks here sitting. Alright, and let's check inside Tibetan camp. Nice. It's very homely community. This is how it looks like.